Hello guys, welcome to this video. This video will be interesting for you. I'm going to show you how to use your mobile to code. And if you are in an emergency situation, you can use your mobile to code and complete your project, or just make a big progress in it. And the basic things you need is just your mobile phone and an application on which you can code. So there are tons of applications which you can use to code on your mobile, but the one that I'm using, I will give the link in the description to download it. And for this, if you have other accessories, that is fine, and that will be awesome. For example, I have my wireless mouse and keyboard which are connected to my mobile, so it will be easy for me to code on my mobile besides using the on-screen keyboard of my mobile. And the other thing which I have is my TV or monitor, which I can connect with the network, so in order to share my screen. So if you just see the screen, here we have the application Trip Edit I'm using, and if we just use it, open it, you can see that we have a screen and everything is coded inside, and my mouse and keyboard is connected, so I can type and even navigate with the mouse. I can type whatever I want and with my keyboard, so that is very fine, you can see. And that brings an ease in the emergency situations. And even you have the play option. Whatever changes you bring, you just click on the play option here, you can see the changes here. So let's see, we added just a word. This is a new div created with Triped on mobile. This is right now. Again, we can just check, remove this one and then save it, then just preview it again. We can see that now that word is removed. So it is a very good app. If you have such thing on your mobile and you have a monitor, then that's it. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Kindly like and subscribe and share it. Thank you very much.